Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast. I'm in Incheon, South Korea, just off Spectrum of the Seas cruise ship, recording in mid-April 2026. I'm under a pagoda in the park, good shade, and seeing many fish. These may be mullet fish, gray mullet fish, or maybe some sort of catfish. I'm not sure, but if you are a fish fanatic, let me know in the comments. You could see some of them coming by, and very clear water here in park. See further out, there's a buoy and some display in the back. Looks like some other fish and more of these traditional buildings. See people blowing bubbles and various pink trees in the background. More of these traditional structures ahead as well. People walking dogs, people walking, jogging. Lots to see here in the park. Come outside of the pagoda and start walking. There's an enclosure ahead with deer. Maybe not so interesting to the American viewers, but you can see some of them walking around. Some signs about don't shout at the deer, don't feed the deer, and so on. You see some of them in the back, but lots of fences making it a little bit difficult to see. And while we're walking, you can see many of the buildings in the back. Very tall buildings here in the city. More trees, and we're getting closer to the deer enclosure. This time only one fence. You could see one of them in the back under what appears to be a hut, and another one up here as well. Oh, lots of them in this area. Looking back, not sure why the deer are here, but they are. Number 24, this one looking at the camera. You can also see a bridge that people are walking across. See some strollers, people just walking freely, some bikes, and looks like a waterfront area on the bottom. There's a green area here you can walk through with some trees wrapping around it and some more flowers. You can see some purples and yellows on the bottom. We'll go down toward the river area. Some people are coming up from that. Walkway on this side, looks like bricks on the bottom. And we're getting closer to the bridge. Many ways to go here. There were some boats passing by. There was one that looked like a teacup, but that went in the opposite direction. At night, I imagine it would be lit up. It'd be some nice sights to see. This was a quick Uber ride from the cruise terminal, maybe about 10-minute drive to get here. Not so bad. A little bit of confusion as they were talking about using taxis to get here, but that didn't make any sense to me considering Uber, but they didn't say that at first until I saw some Ubers passing by. Closer to the buildings, this one's a curved architecture just ahead. And we see another one, IBS Tower. Central Park 1, the Sharp. Central Park 2, tall blue glass buildings. More dogs around this area. And we're getting closer to the water. Some people running with the dogs. Maybe a dog park just ahead. More of these pink trees in the back. And here's a dog coming up. Maybe a type of collie. And a lot of benches on this side. This says Media Wall. Views of Central Park, Incheon Economic Zone, seasonal themes, Korea traditional art, Chinatown, and more. It's like a soccer ball in the back. People with a picnic basket maybe, umbrella on the ground, and some more art just ahead. Looks like a mini bridge or arch coming up. A lot of places to sit here in the park. Big open field. See various bubbles going by. They're blowing the bubbles with a big wand over here. It looks to be a play area as well, with some structures on the bottom. Looks like some white flowers, maybe daisies in the back as part of the art, and some more characters on the ground. One white, one pink. Nice weather here in mid-April, maybe around 65 Fahrenheit. A little bit of a breeze, but not bad. Good walking weather for sure. And happy that it's not raining. Here we are, closer to the two characters. A lot of mascots throughout Taiwan, China, and here in South Korea. Always Incheon. Not always, but always. Justin Vacula here, the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off from Incheon, South Korea. Stay tuned for more content.